about 15 seconds. For instance, there's some rain affecting Melbourne and Sydney, onto thunderstorms across there into Hong Kong as well as Bangkok. Miami and New York both enjoying dry weather at the moment with some sunshine. Fair number of showers across the middle part of Africa, but when you look up towards Europe, the Mediterranean is fine, but in our latitudes there's a good deal of cloud. That's because we've had this frontal system moving across. It's introduced cooler and fresher weather, and it's also brought a fair rash of showers, quite a lot at the moment in the north there, a band of showers across the southeastern part of England. If we zoom in on those, they're actually fairly thundery, stretching from about Norwich through to the more eastern parts of London. But they're going to fizzle out, and I think by the end of the night the showers really are only going to be affecting those northwestern parts of the country, and it will be a cooler and fresher night virtually everywhere, a much more pleasant one, especially in the south. A run of westerly winds tomorrow, another frontal system approaching the northwest for late in the day, but for southern parts I think the day should be dry. There'll be a reasonable amount of sunshine as well. A scattering of showers across the north. They'll move over during the course of the day. They'll probably peak around about the middle of the day, and then they should become lighter and more scattered. That's because a veil of cloud will be spreading into those western areas, and I think right towards the end of the day the first of the next rain beginning to approach Northern Ireland. It will, as you see, be quite breezy, stiff winds coming in from the west, and I think if nothing else, especially in the north, they're going to make it feel rather cool. The temperatures there around about 16 to 18 degrees, maybe a degree or so higher in the south, but still on the low side for the time of year. Moving into Sunday, a warmer day for many parts, certainly central and southern areas with some sunshine. Still some outbreaks of rain though in the more northwestern areas, and that'll head in a little bit further when we move into Monday. On the continent, a giant thunderstorm at the moment over parts of Germany. If you are lucky enough to be going away on holiday, the Mediterranean set fair with some warm sunshine there, but I think the more eastern parts of Europe as well as through Russia and Scandinavia, somewhat cooler and